Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Vasi here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can export a video clip on your Hikvision DVR. So let's begin the video. Here is my Hikvision DVR, and on your DVR also most probably you're going to have two USB-A ports. On one of the port we are going to connect our mouse so that we can navigate within the DVR, and on the second port we are going to connect our USB pen drive or external hard drive. Just make sure that it has enough storage. So we're going to connect it right here. After that I'm going to power my DVR and connect it with my TV. Once you have connected your mouse and USB pen drive to your DVR, you are going to have this main menu. Currently I have no camera connected, however previous recordings are present. First of all, we are going to log in as an admin so that we can export the video clips. For that, just right click on your mouse. It's going to ask you to enter your patron, so I'm going to enter mine. Once you have entered or logged in, you're going to see all your cameras list right here. So in order to export a video clip, we're going to go on the top where it shows playback. Click on this button, and from here you need to select any camera of which you want the videos to be exported. For me, I'm going to select camera 6 as an example, and here it's going to show you the playback. So from here on the bottom you have this timeline. So let's say that first of all I'm going to select any date. Let's assume that I want to export video clips of 12 June 2024. So on the lower left I'm going to double click on 12. You can select any date. After that you need to select the time. So if I just scroll on the timeline, you can see it's going to show you all the data. So just for an example, I want to export video clip from 6 AM to 8 AM. For that, on the bottom you have this scissor icon which says clip. Click on the clip button, and here you're going to have clip time. Just click on clip time and it's going to show you this menu. So from here you need to select the date and time on which you want the clip to be exported. Basically you're going to select the duration of your video clip. So let's assume that I want the clip to be exported from 12 June to 12 June of one day. However, I want it to be from 6 AM to 8 AM. So the first box is basically your 24 hours format. So if I select 6, it basically means it's 6 AM, and this is the minute, so we're going to go with 0, and the last one is second. And for the end time I'm just going to go with 8, which is 8 AM, and for the minutes again 0. And after that I'm going to click on OK. On the timeline you can see the in and out points. After that, on the bottom we have this option export clip. Click on it. It's going to show you two options, video and log player. Since we are interested in the videos, we're going to select video and log. Click on OK. And now if your USB drive is connected, it's going to show it in the device name. In my case, USB flash disk 1, and the total storage on my USB drive is 28.63 GB, and this is also the free space on my USB drive as it was completely empty. Now before we save our clip, first of all we are going to click on this drop down menu and we are going to select the format. So we are going to select .mp4 as our video format. After that we can create a new folder and name it anything like recording, so that we know where our recordings are saved within the USB drive. If it has multiple files, click on OK. It will make a recording folder. Double click on it and just simply click on OK. And now it is exporting, and once you have this little tick mark, it means that the video has been exported successfully to your external USB drive, and now you can plug it in on your PC and check out the recordings. So yeah guys, in this way you can export video recordings from your Hikvision DVR. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.